Janelle Penny, editor of Buildings magazine, and I'm here with Alain Gilles, who is the designer behind BuzziBracks. Is that right?
Indeed it is, yeah.
Great. How does it work?
Good question. It's almost a way to replace walls, right?
Mm-hmm.
And kind of walls that you could actually carry with you and build up somewhere else where you're going. It's a self-standing structure, a self-supporting structure to which you attach curtains or shears, which actually provide a certain level of intimacy and also absorb in some cases more or less noise depending on the material exactly which is used. And I would say this structure, if you step back a bit and you go to what's happening when people are renting a place and having the empty floor, you could really imagine using this to define the rooms. It's very much like normally a room in a room concept, but you also end up defining the hallways. So you could really define your home space with this and decide to be more or less open to the world surrounding you. Since you can then play with this, you can open this, you can decide what transparent it becomes or not. And it's a structure to which you attach the curtains, and then there's another level to it that is thanks to all these grooves. It can actually become a structure to which you plug accessories.
Oh, great.
Accessories like a desk, accessories like a shelf, accessories like a lamp, which is going to come later on, pegs and stuff, to make it your own little world basically. And you can of course reconfigure all that later on in life.